If you've been looking for a high quality front and rear dash cam setup, this is the BlackVue Elite 9 to 2 channel. And in this video, I'm showing the unboxing, the real driving footage so you can see exactly how it performs. This is the dual camera dash cam, which means you're getting both front and rear camera setup. The front records in 4K and the rear records in 2K, so you're getting a real high quality footage from both angles. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged really clean and organized. You get the front camera, rear camera, cables, mounting accessories, and a 64GB SD card included, which is nice because you can start using it right away. One thing to note is that it also supports up to 1TB of storage, so if you want to upgrade later for more recording space, you definitely can. The dash cam also has Wi-Fi and GPS built in, which allows you connected to the app and view footage, adjust settings, and track things like speed and location. Now for installation. We did not hardwire this unit in, and that's just because where we live, parking mode isn't a huge concern for us. But it's worth mentioning that it does come with power saving parking mode, and it even comes with a hardware kit if you want to set that up. For our setup, we just kept it simple, and it was really easy to get up and running. Once everything was installed, I showed the actual driving footage from both front and the rear, so you can see the video quality in real world conditions. The clarity is actually really impressive, especially with the HDR and Starvis 2 sensors, which help with things like balance and visibility. You can clearly see details like road signs, other vehicles, and what's happening around you, even in different lighting conditions. The night vision performance is also really solid. It does a good job of keeping things visible without everything looking overly dark or grainy. Another thing I like is how compact and low profile the cameras are. They don't take up a lot of space on your windshield, and they're not distracting while driving. In the video, you'll see how both cameras perform together, giving you coverage from the front and the rear, which adds that extra level of security and awareness. Overall, this is really a high quality dash cam setup. Between the 4K front camera, 2K rear camera, app connectivity, GPS, night vision, and parking mode capability, it has a lot of features packed into it. Even without hardwiring it in, it still works great for everyday driving and recording footage. If you're looking for a dash cam with a really solid video quality and dual coverage, this gives you a really good idea of what to expect.